Good morning, students. So today we are revising formatting worksheet in MS Excel. Now formatting is a very important concept in terminology of Excel because formatting is a process by the help of which we can make any application look beautiful and attractive. So similarly we are doing formatting in Excel just to make the spreadsheet look attractive and appealing. Okay. So the first form of formatting that we are going to do is changing the font of data. For that, let me take you to Microsoft Excel and show you how we can do that. So I'm opening Microsoft Excel as I speak. Okay. And here I will show you how we can change the formatting. Okay. First of all, when we open Excel, okay, we can pick any data here. Let us pick this timetable. Alright. So in this timetable, see, this is the timetable of chalo, I will take your timetable only, class 6. Okay. Now I will change the font. Okay. So I have selected the entire Excel sheet for the timetable. Now I will just click on the font and see, first of all, the font will be changed. So I'm changing it to Algerian. So see, the font gets changed. Okay. Now in the next example, see, we are given information regarding how we can change the size. Okay. So changing the size of data. So that we can simply do by clicking on the font size option. And where is the font size option? Again, you all can see here, this is the font size option. I can increase and decrease to change the font size. Okay. Now bold, italic and underline data. Bold, italic and underline can be simply done with the help of these three buttons, that is B for bold, I for italic, U for underline. We can also use here the shortcut key, like for B it is Control B, for I it is Control I, and for U it is Control U. So we can do apply using shortcut keys as well. Now we move to the alignment and centering data. So there are three applicable alignments. If you all can see here that there are three different alignments. If we talk about horizontal alignment, there are three alignment: left, center and right. And if we talk about vertical alignment, there are three alignments: top, middle and bottom. Okay. Now this alignment is very much important because first of all you may be asked that how many types of alignment are there. The answer is two different types. First we have the vertical alignment where we will get the top, middle and bottom as the answer, and horizontal alignment where left, center and right are the answer. Now centering a text. For centering a text, first of all we will have to use an option called merge and center. So for that, what we will do first, we will click on the cell, drag it to a particular point. Suppose I want to drag till here. Okay, say I want to drag till the entire thing. Okay, I want to make it merged and centered till here. Now I will simply click on here and click on the merge and center button. Can you see it has become a single cell? If we undo it, you see there were a group of cells, isn't it, or not? Now if we have merged, it will become a single cell. So that is why it is called centering a cell. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you. So please revise these pages, page number 81, 80, 79. Okay. This chapter will not take much time to get completed because half of it was already completed before the AWS syllabus was given. So we will complete it very quickly within a few days. Okay, so that you all can start the preparation for your final exam. Okay, thank you, have a nice day ahead, children.